Again guys, we're just in the Patrol. This year of Patrol, for some or like a reason, the front the beepers weren't working. So just put it like an update on the USB here. It's just like a .bin file. But what we're going to do is we're going to try and plug that in and update it and see if it gets our front sort of beepers working, because they so normally they always do work, but for some reason on this 2015 we're having some issues. Just put that into one of the USB ports here. Then we go into systems, upgrades, and you're going to click on this one here. Now it's going to pick up that file type, and it's going to run the upgrade, and then hopefully we'll have our front beepers working. So if we do ever send out like an upgrade for a Tango upgrade on here, that is how you deal with it, and it's just upgrading basically how the unit talks to the CAN system in the car.